Good morning, guys. Happy Wednesday. Crazy morning here. I washed my hair yesterday, and this is how it came out. And I've done nothing to it but sleep. So, it is Wednesday, August 29th, and I have 1 week, not even, now it's 6 days until I go back to work, and summer vacation is over. So crazy. The kids go back in next Thursday. I go back Wednesday, so I work Wednesday and Tuesday. I work Tuesday and Wednesday, and then Phoenix goes back to school Thursday. So for Tuesday and Wednesday, he'll be going to Avery's daycare. So Avery starts on Tuesday, but that's still part of like their summer program. So technically, like her first day of pre-K4 will be Thursday, and Phoenix's first day of first grade will be Thursday, and then my first day of like working with the kids will be Thursday. But Tuesday, Wednesday is like professional development type stuff, and getting ready for everything and finding out where I'm gonna be, because I have no idea what classroom I'm in, what teacher I'm gonna be working with, what student I'm gonna be working with, because this year I am a one-on-one, so I'll have like one student to focus on. So I have no idea, none. And I've been having dreams about it, which is crazy. Every night I've been having these vivid, like different dreams about the first day of school, and it's like every day, every dream, it's something different. So it's just annoying. I guess it's just been on my mind because I'm the type of person who just likes to know, and I have not known since June. So anyway, today I just have a to-do list of getting things done and trying to enjoy the last few days, working out and just thinking about my routine. I have been drinking this apple cider vinegar mixture, and it is very popular now. There's a lot of videos on YouTube about it. I might make one about how I do it, but this is the apple cider vinegar I drink. It has to have the mother with the mother. There's a lot of health benefits, there's a lot of stuff. So if you look up a video about apple cider vinegar, you'll see all like the benefits of it, and it does not taste that great, but I do a mixture. I do 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 8 ounces of water, and then I do put a splash of this, and so far it has been working. It has helped with losing weight. It helps with losing weight and the bloat, getting rid of that bloat. My stomach, I see that bloat like going down, and it has a lot of other health benefits. A lot of people I saw online put lime juice in it, or lemon juice, put squeezes of lemon. They put a lot of different things in it to make it bearable to drink. So I figured half a squeeze of this wouldn't be bad, because it'd be the same as like lemon juice or whatever. So far it's working. I'm losing the weight and feeling the bloat and all that. So I think that using this is okay. I don't know, but I just needed something to rank the taste, and I can drink it like nothing. It's so crazy. I can still taste the apple cider vinegar, but this is my 2nd week going on it, and it's bearable. I can drink it. So, and like I said, all I did was the 8 ounces of water, 2 teaspoons of the apple cider vinegar with the mother, and a splash of this, like not even like a full squeeze, I kind of and it's bearable. And I drink it in the morning. You definitely have to drink it with a straw, because all the acidic stuff in the apple cider vinegar is not good for the enamel on your teeth. So make sure you drink it with a straw. I was just gonna say something. I drink it in the morning on an empty stomach. It's the first thing I drink in the morning, and then I drink it before lunch. Sometimes I forget before lunch, and I'll drink it a little later. It also helps with appetite. So I'll drink it before lunch. They said to drink it 30 minutes before your meal, but I drink it when I remember. And then I drink it right before bed, because it helps control your appetite throughout the night. Like if you feel like you're having a late night snack or whatever. So I kind of seal off. I stop eating at 8, and then I kind of seal off my night with that right before bed. It also helps with sleeping. because of like the stuff it does. There's more videos out there that say everything. I don't want to say things and say them wrong, but definitely look up apple cider vinegar because there's supposedly a lot of benefits to it, and I've been liking it so far. I'm doing it for 2 weeks, and I'm going to take a week off, and then I'll do it again. And what was I going to say? So today, we're just getting stuff done. Right now, I'm just emptying the dishwasher. I gave the kids breakfast. I have to go wash clothes and then work out. It's 8:56. It's so early to have had all this done already, but they wake up so early. I changed my nail color to this one. It is a color changing. That's why you see that one's like a brown. You see the tips look like a brown because when it gets cold, let me see if I can do it. When it gets cold, it changes colors. It's my friend's nail polish, my neighbor. She came over the other day, and this was hers, and so I changed it. And then 2 new colors just arrived that I ordered. So excited. So it's like a mood color changing. This is like the color, and then this is like when it gets cold and starts changing. It gets like a darker brown-ish color, and it's pretty cool. Sometimes I'm like, oh, my nail's dirty. But yeah, so I'm gonna leave these on for a little bit, and then change right before I go to work. Change colors again.
I need to wait for the ball.
Okay. Oh, there it is.
My favorite tower. I have 7 then. How would I?
Whoa, good job, baby.
Oh, God, it's shrinking. And the one. Wow, you beat it, Avery. And I want that another spade today.
Okay, we'll see, but if we don't... Avery, press that button on the side. I don't know why it keeps doing that. It's not registered.
Oh, wait. You put the pin, Avery. Yes, go. That's when you get the pin. Hey, why is it taking so long?
There it is. Oh. Hey. Almost. Okay, you have more turns. It's just your first try.
I'm happy still. I'm happy with Global.
Okay, good.
I thought that I was going to swipe us, a fail us, but I didn't. But I did 2 minutes. Easy. Go, what else?
Job. Yes. You too. Good job. Careful. So you're getting him ready for school?
Yeah.
Oh.
Nice inhaler for my stool.
Oh, because you're gonna take him to your school tomorrow and you see all your friends. You can say, "That's my brother."
I'm going to vote, but after this.
What?
Nothing.
Oh, not Phoenix. You're gonna say, "That's brother." Oh, Jesus. Oh, uh-oh.
Papa! Papa, you need to take the hands off. Papa,
He's trying to leave without paying you. Don't let him. Don't let him. Oh, you got him. He's trying not to pay you.
Send me my money. Help him.
That's all we're taking out. No other toys being taken out. Just blocks. Yep. Alright? Play with those.
Daddy from the window.
You saw me?
Yeah.
I forgot you're up here.
Mom.
Hi, buddy. Okay, we're ready for what?
Hey, who always looking at me? Wait, so stop.
Ready for school. What grade? Who's over there?
Always looking.
Oh, is that your little buddy Ayan over there?
Yeah. I can.
Phoenix, are you ready for first grade?
Oh. Yes.
Yes. Let me see your book bag. Oh, Roblox book bag came yesterday just in time.
I'm so bad. I'm just stupid. Mom, I don't want to go play.
You don't have a book bag. Your daycare doesn't allow book bags.
But I want to have
First day of first grade.
So where's for my
And my first day of working at kindergarten. I'm working in kindergarten this year. No, Bubba's in first grade. Mommy's working in kindergarten class.
Wait, when I'm 5, you work the same as me?
I don't know. Maybe then I'll go to first. I don't know where I'm going to be.
But
And Avery's third day of school, but I dressed her
I don't
like
want
first
to
day.
go in Windhurst on the bus. That's my school. But I'm gonna tell
You're going to be in your school like a big girl. And the bus is coming. I'm waiting for the bus.
Now it's 4 more minutes to the bus.
And then Daddy's going to meet us at the school to take pictures with Bubba.
Oh, what time is it?
Let me see.
now?
Let me see your book bag. Your Roblox. Whoa,
I
it's
have
bigger than him.
Toby. Hey, come to here.
His little friend lives across.
Toby today.
Your hair's curly today. Your hair's curly every day, baby. Stay okay and be a good boy.
Bye. And tell you what's it going here.
Okay, come on.
Hi guys! Hi! Happy first day of school! I'm Phoenix with my hug! Yeah! Avery, you wanna hug me?
Give me try to hug.
Hi! How was school yesterday? Yeah, you went upstairs? You a good girl? Good job! How about brother? Was he a good boy? He was? Did he eat yogurt? Good job!
Say bye. All right, come on. Say bye. What? Oh, when the wheels start going? Come on, Avery.